Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you a couple of very interesting things which is available in Gmail, and some of it is launched very recently. So you can come to Gmail, and in the left hand side, if you look at it, you will see something like more. So you can expand that. Now once you expand that, you will see one of the most loud feature for Gmail that is recently launched. Is known as manage subscription. So if you click on it, you can see all your subscriptions, and it also shows you the number of emails that you received recently. So let's say if you look at Adobe Mail, right, it sends 10 to 20 emails recently. So based on that, I can unsubscribe. So I don't want this person sending me emails, so I just say unsubscribe. I don't want Adobe Mail. So these are all subscriptions that I have made already, and I want to get rid of it. So I can just come here and easily unsubscribe rather than going each email mail by mail. So this is a very useful functionality that has been added recently to Gmail. Apart from that, there is a neat way of categorizing the emails. So if you're looking for purchases, so if you look at this, it will show you the recent purchases from various websites. That also is pretty useful functionality. So I hope this video is useful. If you want more such interesting short videos that help you save time and be more productive, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.